How to share screen on JoinMe for Android. If you wish to share the screen, just tap on the screen of your phone. On the bottom and top, it will appear some buttons. On the bottom right, you will have the Share Screen button. Tap on it. You will get a notice about privacy on screen sharing. Tap on Got it. If you are the first time when you share the screen on JoinMe, you will need to get the app this permission. Switch on display over other apps. Go back to the app. Tap on Start Now to start the share of the screen. I have another Android device connected to the conference call as well. Let me show you how other persons see your screen sharing. The screen sharing works very well. From my point of view, it is almost in real time. So this is an excellent option to share the screen. If you wish to stop the screen share, just tap on the button from the bottom. This will close the screen sharing and the meeting can continue. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.